Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Jagging and Company Associates. And today I want us to move to a different topic, append tables in Power BI using Power Query. Our first task will be append tables with the same number of columns in Power BI using Power Query. So let me just show you the table that we need to append. The tables that we need to append. So here we have January table, we have February table, and we also have March table. And then when you check on the January table, just a moment, when you check on the January table, we have 6 columns. So these are the 6 columns. And then when you check on the records as well, we also have 10 records. When you check here, we have 10 records. So these are 10 records. So for January, February, and March, we have 10 columns, and we also have 10 records. But we need to append the tables such that we'll have one set of table that we load into Power BI. So how do we do this? So let me just take you to Power BI. We see how we can append the 3 tables. So here is our Power BI, and then we need to append the 3 tables. So first what we'll do, we'll go to Home tab, and then we'll click on Get Data. Then we'll choose Excel Workbook because we are using Excel. And then I will choose period 1 sales. So period 1 sales is where or rather the 3 tables are based. So we'll choose again here. We'll select February, January, and March, and then we'll click transform. Then now within Power Query Editor, we need to append the 3 tables. So when you check on the Home tab, under Home tab we have quite a number of functions. We have query function, we have data sources function, we have parameters, we also have query, we have manage columns, we have reduce rows, we have sort, we have transform, and we also have combine. But for us, we need to append the 3 tables, or the 3 queries now, because they are within Power Query Editor. Now we call them queries. Now they are not tables. So we'll go to Combine tab, and within Combine tab we have Merge Queries, and we also have Append Queries. But we need to append the queries. So we'll click on this arrow, and then we'll choose Append Queries as new. We need a new appended query, so we'll choose Append Queries as a new. And then we have 3 queries, so we'll choose the option of 3 queries or more tables, or 3 or more tables. And then by default, March sales query has been selected, so we'll select again February and January and add. And then here now we'll click OK. And then from there now we have appended table, and then we can also rename the query as Jan to March sales, and then the query now is ready for being loaded back to Power BI, but still we can also sort the date in ascending order. And then now we can load back the query, but before we load back the query, when we click close and apply, all the 4 queries will be loaded back into Power BI, but we need to just load one appended query. So what we'll do, we'll right click on each and every query for January, February, and March, and then we'll untick the enable load button or the enable load box. So after doing that, now we can only load the January, March sales as appended query. So we'll go to close and apply, and click close and apply. Then here we are, just under the fields bin, we have Jan and March table, and then we can as well view the details of Jan and March table by clicking on this icon for data view. So this is what we have as appended table. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood how to append 3 tables with the same number of columns using Power Query within Power BI. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.